Hello there! Welcome everyone. In this video I will explain why your stomach growls when you're hungry. So, let's dive in. When you're hungry, your brain tells your stomach and intestines to get ready for food. Even if there's nothing there yet, the muscles start moving to clear the way to make room for food. This movement, called peristalsis, stirs up gas and liquid, making that rumbling sound. So, next time your stomach growls, it's just your body saying, "Hey, I'm ready to eat." Curious about more cool body facts? Subscribe for more.